Are you ready to simplify your fitness routine? The only dumbbell workout that you need is here to transform your body without the hassle of complex exercises. With just one pair of dumbbells, you'll engage every muscle group, giving you a full body burn that can be done anywhere, anytime. This workout is designed to be accessible for everyone, whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned gym goer seeking efficiency and results. As we delve into the specifics, it's essential to focus on the major muscle groups for balanced strength development. The workout features exercises such as dumbbell deadlifts, activating your hamstrings and glutes, and dumbbell bench presses, which sculpt your chest muscles. Goblet squats oxygenate your quads, while bent-over rows train your back, promoting good posture and functional strength. To develop powerful shoulders, we incorporate the dumbbell shoulder press, which alongside Russian twists for your core rounds out a comprehensive routine that targets every essential area. Warming up is crucial for a safe and effective workout. In just 5 minutes, we'll engage in simple movements like arm circles and jumping jacks to get the blood pumping, ensuring your body is primed for action. During the workout, each exercise is performed through dynamic motions that nurture strength and endurance. As the session progresses, remember it's about pushing through each rep and feeling the encouragement of progress, not perfection. Cool down with gentle stretches afterward to maintain flexibility and promote recovery.